Hey Maicurlies, today I'm going to be doing a wash and go using Amali Organics products, and I'm starting on day 6 of finger curls that needs to be washed. I then will be deep conditioning with a strengthening deep conditioner from Amali Organics and moisturizing with their Moisturize Me Cream Leave-In. I will use an oil. This is an infused oil to seal, and then the last product is going to be a 2-ingredient flaxseed gel. The Amali Organics Fortifying Deep Treatment is a strengthening deep conditioner, and even though it does provide strength to the hair, I did not feel like I needed to use a moisturizing deep conditioner afterwards because my hair was still left moisturized. So this deep conditioner helps to boost circulation to the follicles. It is rich in omega-6 and black castor oil, and it helps to stimulate hair growth. It's a really thick deep conditioner. As you can see, it sort of has a cream consistency, but it's really rich and thick. I applied the Fortifying Deep Conditioner onto freshly washed hair, but before I continue, I have to mention the scent, which is amazing. It was so good. It has a peppermint scent to it. As you can tell, I'm really impressed. I even got a slight hint of chocolate. I really love the smell of this. So other ingredients that are included is organic aloe vera, there is olive oil, vegetable glycerin, sunflower oil, rice bran oil, vitamin E oil. So it's just packed with really nourishing ingredients, and as always I start from ends to roots, making sure that the oldest parts, which are the ends, are saturated, and then move my way up before I put away the section. And as I already mentioned, I did not need to do a moisturizing deep conditioner afterwards, because even though it is a strengthening deep conditioner, it did not leave my hair feeling dry or anything. It actually felt really moisturized and strong. It's the peppermint that not only smells good, but it actually helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which in turn helps to circulate to the follicles and helps with growth. So it really is an enjoyable product to use. You feel the blood circulation tingling on your scalp once you've applied it on. So after I've done that, I rinse it out, and this is my hair without any product on it at all. So I've deep conditioned it. I did not need to moisturize deep condition afterwards. As you can see, my hair is soft and hydrated. And then I follow up with the Amali Organics Moisturize Me Leave-In Cream, and I've already used this. I'll put a link to the video where I do a full review of it. But this is a real sort of thick cream leave-in. It has a lotion consistency. Even though I have fine hair, it still gets absorbed into my hair completely. And as you can see, I am first finger detangling, and then I go in with my comb. I only use a comb when I have leave-in in my hair. That's just my preference. And this is what my hair looks like after I have combed it out. There is curl definition, and my hair is really shiny and soft. I love this leave-in. I then follow up with some oil to help seal in the moisture, working again from ends to roots, making sure that each strand is saturated in it. And then I move on to the other section. I always make sure my hair is wet when I do a wash and go. I put in the leave-in conditioner again, ends to roots, making sure that each strand is saturated. And then I applied the oil onto my hair, finger detangle, and then follow up as always with my comb. This is what my hair is looking like before I apply anything for definition or hold. There is real curl definition already, but I am going to be using my 2-ingredient flaxseed gel, and this is to give me hold to my curls as well as to define my curls for a wash and go. And as always, I apply from ends to roots, making sure that each strand is saturated. I sort of rake the gel into my hair using my fingers as a comb. In case you are unfamiliar with flaxseed gel, you really need to look into it. It is packed with omega-3 fatty acids that helps to nourish the hair follicles. It helps to strengthen the follicles. It provides shine. It is packed with vitamin B, which helps to reduce dryness to the hair. So aside from being a gel, it's actually nourishing for the hair. I have a simplified 2-ingredient flaxseed gel. Let me know if you'd like to see how I make it. And this is the definition and shine that I get from using the Amali Organics in combination with flaxseed gel. So again, I'm applying the same process onto the other side, going from ends to roots, making sure that each strand is saturated, using my fingers as a comb to rake the flaxseed gel onto my hair and to provide that definition. I do my little happy dance, and the most important part for me, because I do not use anything to dry my hair, I do not mess with it. I let it air dry overnight, and then I cover my hair with a scarf, and I do the modified pineapple method. That's what I call it. I don't use a scrunchie. I sort of pile my hair up and then use the scarf to cover. And then the next day I will use a little bit of oil, and that is to do a scalp massage, as well as to just run my hands down the length of my hair to give just a little bit of extra shine to my curls. But my favorite part in the morning is definitely doing my scalp massages, and if you have watched me before, you will know that this is a ritual for me that I enjoy. This helps with blood circulation, but it also helps with lifting of my roots a bit. So I do go in with an afro comb, and again I fluff, because for me more volume is better, and my day one hair always is a little sort of weighed down, and I prefer to have bigger hair, so I go to town with that comb and lift and fluff, and you'll see the difference on the one side compared to the other. And these are the final results. I love using Amali Organics. Like I said, I have used them before, but I just wanted to do a wash and go and show you the results. Thank you for watching, my curlies, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.